Option wheel strategy, for secondary income and working people. The option wheel strategy is a trading strategy that involves selling put options on a stock you are willing to own at a lower price and, if assigned, selling covered calls on the stock. Here are some key points to consider when implementing this strategy. Choosing the right stock. The first step is to choose a stock that you want to own long-term. Look for a stock that has a stable price history, solid fundamentals, and is not overly volatile. Selling cash-secured puts. Once you have identified the stock, you can start selling cash-secured puts at a strike price below the current stock price. The goal is to collect a premium for selling the put option, and, if the stock price falls below the strike price, you are obligated to buy the stock at the lower price. Stock assignment. If the stock price falls below the strike price and you are assigned the stock, you become the owner of the stock at the lower price. At this point, you can either hold onto the stock or start selling covered calls. Selling covered calls. If you decide to sell covered calls, you sell call options at a strike price above the current stock price. The goal is to collect a premium for selling the call option, and, if the stock price rises above the strike price, you are obligated to sell the stock at the higher price. Repeat the process. If your covered call option is assigned, you sell the stock at the higher price and then start the process over again by selling cash-secured puts on the stock. Managing risk. It's important to manage risk when implementing the option wheel strategy. Make sure you have enough cash on hand to buy the stock if the put option is assigned and have a plan in place for managing losses if the stock price drops significantly. Overall, the option wheel strategy can be an effective way to generate income and potentially acquire a stock at a lower price. However, it's important to carefully consider the risks and manage them appropriately.